Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
The two basic types of cost accounting systems are job order and batch systems, process cost and batch systems, job order and process cost systems, job order and job accumulation system. A company's planned activity level for next year is expected to be 1 lakh machine hours. At this level of activity, the company budgeted to the following: manufacturing overhead costs, variable indirect materials 1,20,000 indirect labor $1,60,000, factory supplies $20,000, fixed depreciation $50,000, property taxes $10,000, factory supervisions $40,000. A flexible budget prepared at the 90,000 machine hours level of activity would show total manufacturing overhead costs of 30,000 $3,60,000, $3,00,000, $3,70,000, $2,70,000. Which one of the following items would never appear on cash budget? On a cash budget: depreciation expense, office salaries expense, travel expense, interest expense. Or company's planned activity level for next year is expected to be 1 lakh machine hours. At this level of activity, the company budgeted to the following: manufacturing overhead costs, variable indirect materials $1,40,000, indirect labor $2,00,000, factory supplies $20,000, fixed depreciation $60,000, property taxes $10,000, factory supervision $50,000. A flexible budget prepared at the 80,000 machine hours level of activity would show total manufacturing overhead costs of $4,08,000, $3,84,000, $2,88,000, $3,60,000. Correct answer is, the answer to the first question is $3,000. The answer to the second question is depreciation expense.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.